Are you looking for the best nibblers for cutting? In your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 7 best nibblers for cutting. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below. And also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 7th product on our list is the Makita JN3201 10-gauge nibbler. The Makita JN3201 metal nibbler weighs 7.4 pounds, which makes it a little heavier than other nibblers. It has a built-in thickness gauge which is very convenient for the user. The operating sound rating is right around 81 dBA, which is quieter than you'd expect. It's powered by a strong 6.2 amp motor, which can be used to cut 10-gauge mild steel or 13-gauge stainless steel. The punch and die can be replaced quickly, minimizing downtime. It also features double insulation as well as ball and needle bearings, which means the tool will have a longer life. This set comes with all of the necessary wrenches and tools you need to get to work. Its minimum inside cutting edge is just about 4.3/4 inches. The size, power, and ability to cut various materials puts this Makita tool at the top of this list. Up next in the 6th place is the Makita XNJ01Z18VLXT Nibbler. If you would prefer to ditch the cord, then you should put the 18-volt Makita XNJ01Z at the top of your list. It's perfect for cutting up to 16-gauge material, and the die holder can rotate 360 degrees, allowing you to cut in any direction. This nibbler's chip disposal is below the cutting material, which means less damage to your cutting surface. The inner edge cutting radius is 1 to 3/4 inches. It weighs just 4 pounds without a battery. It's small enough to be operated comfortably yet strong enough to do most of the jobs you will regularly encounter. Add the fact that it's cordless and you're left with what is most likely a more versatile metal nibbler than any other in this market. Overall, it's a perfect pick if you're working on metal roofing, decking, HVAC, or any work in a metal fab shop. Coming in at number 5 is the Hitachi CN16SA. When it comes to corded nibblers, a close second in my research was the Hitachi CN16SA. Compared to the Makita, it's designed for lighter gauge metals and has a 3.5 amp motor that will glide through most flat sheet metal. It has a small grip width, which means it's easier to handle and control. Since the unit punches downward, the chips produced on the workpiece is minimized. It is rated to cut at 5.7 feet per minute on 16-gauge mild steel, which is relatively fast. The die holder has a 3-position indexer, which allows you to quickly change direction. It weighs 3.5 pounds, which makes it light enough to handle comfortably for prolonged periods of time. It has a quick one-touch slide switch, which means it's easy to start and stop a project. Its slim body and lightweight design make it easy to operate. As long as you have access to power on most of your projects, this tool is a solid choice. At number 4, we have the Metabo HPT Nibbler. Next up is Metabo's cordless metal nibbler. Like the Makita, this one is powered by an 18-volt battery as well, so it has plenty of power for most applications. It features an on-tool battery charge indicator, which lets you know how much juice you have left. Its grip is soft and ergonomic, which means more comfort for you and less fatigue for your arms. The grip circumference is small, so you can still do all of the precision work you need to. It weighs in at 4.1 pounds without the battery, comparable to other similar tools. Its die holder can rotate 180 degrees and has 3 stops, allowing for flexibility during your projects. This nibbler is designed to cut mild steel, aluminum, stainless steel, and to corrugate quickly. It will leave a clean cut on your surface, and the downward punching means fewer chips on the workpiece. The 3rd product on our list is the Astro 727 ONYX. If electric-powered nibblers won't work for your project, you're going to want to consider using compressed air. One of the pneumatic nibblers worth considering is the Astro Pneumatic 727. It works on up to 17-gauge cold-rolled steel and will easily cut through sheet metal without deforming the edges. The tool's speed is rated at just over an inch per second, or about 5 feet per minute. It requires 2 CFM at 45 psi and needs around 90 psi to operate. It weighs 2 pounds and has a quick connect air coupler on the back, so you can quickly start your project. One of the tool's downsides is the fact that it can't be used on flush applications because there's an offset built into the guide. Second on our list is the REXBETI Metal Cutter. This double-headed nibbler by REXBETI is a very convenient drill attachment. It fits onto any drill that works between 1,500 and 3,000 RPM. Using the double cutting head, you can position the attachment to not only cut straight lines, but also perfect circles of varying diameters. It will glide through 14-gauge material without much hesitation. Its head rotates 360 degrees to make any job easy. The attachments will cut sheet metal, corrugate, pipes, powder-coated material, stainless steel, copper, aluminum, formica, plastic, and fiberglass. It can cut straight, curved, or complex designs, and leaves edges with minimal burrs. This is one of those attachments that you didn't know you needed until you use it. The package comes with all of the accessories you need to start cutting. You just need a hand drill. Finally, the top product on our list is the Knipex Tools Sheet Metal Nibblers. Standing at around 11 inches long, these Knipex hand nibblers take the hard work out of cutting sheet metal. They work on iron, copper, or aluminum sheets that are up to 1.2 millimeters thick. They barely weigh a pound and allow for really tight radiuses to be cut. The kerf is around 2.7 millimeters and will cut without deformation. The edges cut cleanly, and there's an additional chip breaker that will minimize the mess and keep your project simple. The blades are oil hardened and interchangeable. The body of the tool is made out of oil-hardened and rolled steel, so you can rest knowing that your tool has a long life ahead of it. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.